Hello friends, I am Hemang and welcome back to LearnyMind. Friends, you have seen a rodent or heard of it having quills on their body. Yes, they are porcupines. So in this video, I am going to talk in detail about porcupines. So let's begin. Porcupines got their name from two words that are pig and spines. It is a rodent with dark fur and sharp quills or thorns, from where porcupines got their name from the two words. Porcupines belong to kingdom Animalia and they have the class of Mammalia. Porcupines occur in various shades of grey, brown and white. Porcupines are 60 to 90 centimeters long and they weigh 5 to 16 kilograms. From birth to at least a few days, porcupines have soft quills. When porcupines are threatened, a porcupine puffs out its quills. These quills can cause painful wounds. The quills of a porcupine protect them from their enemies. There are 25 species of porcupines. Porcupines are divided into two groups, and they are the New World porcupines and the Old World porcupines. The New World porcupines are called Erythizontidae and the Old World porcupines are called Hystricidae. The Old World porcupines live in Southern Europe, Southern and Western Asia, and most of Africa. They live in forests and deserts, rocky outcrops, and hillsides. The New World porcupines live in North America and northern South America. Porcupines shelter in tree branches and roots, hollow logs and burrows and caves. Old World porcupines like to stay on the ground than New World porcupines. Porcupines are herbivores. They eat leaves, twigs, barks, fruits, berries, grasses, nuts, flowers, clover, and more. Porcupines are slow-moving animals. They do not hibernate. Porcupines are most active at night. The crested porcupines of Africa are the largest porcupines. So friends, let's summarize what we have learned. So, number 1. Porcupines got their name from two words that are pig and spines. Porcupines are rodents with dark fur and sharp quills. Number 3. Porcupines belong to kingdom Animalia and their class is Mammalia. Number 4. Porcupines occur in various shades of grey, brown and white. Number 5. Porcupines weigh 5 to 16 kilograms and their length is 60 to 90 centimeters. Number 6. There are 25 species of porcupines. Number 7. Porcupines are divided into two groups: the Old World porcupines and the New World porcupines. The Old World porcupines are called Hystricida, and the New World porcupines are called Erythizoontida. Porcupines are slow-moving animals. And the last point, the crested porcupines of Africa are the largest porcupines. Friends, I hope you have liked my video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to see more amazing tutorials like this. Stay connected. Thanks for watching.